YouTube, welcome back again. Pumping time. Jerome did a good job, actually. You know, I will not say that it's because of Jerome, actually, because we saw this coming already, right? If you watched my previous video, you could see that we became bullish on the 1 hour, and it was just green light for the big guys to put crazy money in this market, right? So big orders got filled. We created crazy fair value gaps underneath us and on the upside, and the thing is we need to fill these gaps. They're magnets, so that's what I tell you guys many times before, right? Before we start this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel to stay updated, and just support this channel, right? So fair value gaps needs to be filled now, and the thing is, it's Saturday, it's a low volume day actually, so we cannot expect too much from my opinion. But tomorrow we have a weekly closeout, and the thing is, a lot of people are long now at the moment, so we need to shake out, we need to fill gaps. So I'm expecting BTC to come back to the 618 bounce and then come back to the 786 to see a reversal to our fair value gap on the upside. I will show you later on in this video which gaps I mean and what you can expect for the coming day and next week, right? If you want to level up your trading, we remodeled the crypto gainers. Join the free Discord group Crypto Gainers for free and level up your trading, and you're more than welcome. We need to build a solid trading group with honesty, open-minded, and willingness. And if you're watching this and you're a trader, add some value to this group, right? So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and let me clean this chart and I'll show you guys how I came to this model. What you can see literally is that after Jerome became dovish, that we started pumping, right? The thing is, we go to the daily time frame. We already saw this coming here, right? Max fear, if you follow me on X, then you should know that we will see that there was a high possibility that we will see upside from there on, right? The thing is, when you go to the 8-hour time frame, you can see this fair value gap here up on the upside, right? We need to fill this, but after the pump from yesterday, we also created a fair value gap underneath us. This one is visible on the 50-minute time frame. So let's draw a fair value gap here. And this is a little bit too much actually. I want to see these gaps got filled before we see more upside, because this is closer, it's just a magnet, right? As I tell you guys many times before, we need to fill these gaps. It's not for sure that we are going to fill these gaps, but most likely we will fill them. And if you pull a fib from this swing low to the top of the wick, you can see this aligns with the 50 line, but also the 786. What needs to become previous support, what previous resistance, what needs to become support now, excuse me. So what I'm expecting for BTC actually is to come to the 618, bounce up, 786 retracement, come down to this 786 to see more upside, right? To eventually fill this gap on the upside. So be careful with long positions on altcoins, because BTC drags them down, dominance shoots up. For now, I just want to see BTC break out before it's go time in altcoins actually. The thing is, if you trade low leverage, yes, of course, then you can trade them. But I will not trade now for the moment. I will wait for discount market, because I'm expecting BTC to come down to eventually go long again. Same situation for Ethereum. What you can see on Ethereum is that we created a crazy gap also after hitting a new all-time high. So I dropped this fair value gap on Ethereum. And what I'm expecting for Ethereum to bounce on this gap after BTC sees more downside, actually. You know, this fair value gaps also figures as support, so it's not for sure that these gaps will be filled, right? So that's why I place my entry on this gap here at 45.38. That's where my limit order is now at the moment for Ethereum. To buy at discount, see a reversal on BTC to go crazy on Ethereum and see a massive breakout here, right? Trade it to somewhere around, let's check. Let's make a trade together, right? So what I'm doing actually is I'm buying this top of this fair value gap to trade to at least 5,200 for Ethereum, that's where I take my profits, right? Again, guys, I post this kind of setups on a daily basis in the Discord group. So if you want to level up your trading and don't want to miss out the gains I make on a daily basis, join the crypto gainers. You know, you're more than welcome. So what I'm doing actually is I take profits here on all-time high because there's sell-side liquidity. And I close the trade, or I leave 25% here, right? So actually I take 50% here and I take 25% here, and I let the trade play out with the last 25%. You want to have your stop loss underneath the 786, so it's a little bit a wide stop loss because you don't know how Ethereum reacts on this fair value gap. There's a possibility that we retrace the 618, but then we're still in the trade, right? So that's a little bit it for today, guys. Again, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, join the crypto gainers. So guys, with that said, I thank you all for watching. You know, like this video, subscribe to my channel, join the crypto gainers. And with that said, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.